you're about to see here is I'm going to take you around this bike and show you that here is a seized on wing nut thing of the jig for the brake rod. And also I've been having trouble with this nut here. Now I'm going to move you very slowly. I'm going to try and move very slowly. Now we're going to go around to the other side of the bike, and you're looking at the other end of that axle now. Right, this is my next problem. You see here, there you go. There's should be a pinch bolt holding that together like that there, like that. And that's why I've been having trouble. I've been a bit thick on this subject. I should have noticed this, but basically what the end of the shaft is doing is rolling round. So I'm going to find a nut and put it in there, bolt, tighten it down, and then I should be able to get that nut off. That's a first problem. I know I showed you this before. The access on that one is really difficult. I've got to get that off. And the other side is there. It's a screw. So I've been, there it is there, and it's a screw. So I've been soaking that really loads, right? And I'm hoping to get that off. And the other two things I need to get off, of course, is these nuts and bolts up here. And we're going to be using various methods. Like you're actually seeing, is going to take over a few days, I think. A few goes of the bike to get it sorted. Alright, I'm putting you in the picture of what's actually going off. As you can see, I've actually not got the nut off now. Well, a lot of fiddling and farting around, but what's happening is, when I try to knock it through, it's actually doing that, which is believing is being caused by this junction being seized again. It's like a laser of an onion. You sort one thing out and you're stuck with another. So I think what I'm going to do is get some wet and dry and rub it around there and try and get that to go, so it'll slide out easy. It's actually coming out the wheel, if you can just about see it, I think, but it's gone. Anyway, the nut with a 22mm spanner. Anyway, a good old fashioned snap-on spanner screwdriver on the other end. Alright, another thing is this brake rod will come clean. Now it's come apart now, but you can see that I had to knock that out with an 8mm long socket to get it out, but it's out. That's the important thing. Don't know whether it's just standing on the end here, I don't know. Brass and don't seem to be right kind of material still on a bike like this, but never mind. But I'm hoping to keep this, you see. Well, I'm quite glad I've kept it, because what I want to do is use that, clean it up, and then flog it. I've no need for it. I've got a nice new stainless steel one, but I'm sure it'll come in for somebody and not on the eBay or something. Anyway, that's how far we got so far. What a beautiful sight that is. It's been about an hour since I've done the last shot. I've been knocking it forward, knocking it back, soaking it. I think some of the problem, it was seized in here, or on the other side, perhaps here as well. And we had to liberally lubricate it, and then tap it back in some porridge, or do all manner of things. We ended up getting it out in the end, and that'll be cleaned up obviously before it goes back on. A nice new nut to go on that one, and all stainless steel. But technically speaking, that should be the wheel out now, I think. Right then, wheels out, yay! The particularly good news is there's no oil on the brake shoes. There was something I was a little bit concerned about, so we'll see some money there. I think the brake shoes are recoverable looking at them. Well, certainly do for now, and they're cleaned up, they'll be going back on. Some more, there's a bit of oil there. This is what my problem is. I need to get this diff sorted. I'll call it a diff. I think it's a bevel drive unit actually. Of course it's like a laser of an onion, this job is again. Good, we can do that. We can now remove the back foot pegs here and here, and the brake light switch. Gives us more access to that little rotten bolt. All good really. It's all working out. I wish you could see how much work there was going into it though, I really do. The videos are just stupidly long and it's ridiculous, you can't do that. So showing you the highlights is probably the best way to go. But we're getting there, I'm doing alright here. I want to learn about this bevel drive unit, that's my biggie. Well, if you can call it a problem. That's what I've got to learn about. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Right, I've decided to drill this one out here after much contemplation, and I'm going to try and cut this one out here because it stands up a bit and I might be able to get an axle blade in there with a bit of luck. even drilling it, a bit curious because even that's eating up the nut. So I'm using a bit W40 as lubrication and coolant, and managing to get it. It's coming out. Yeah, this one, probably an actual, I would have thought, or a Dremel tool or something. Anyway, we'll have to come to that one. I'm treating these two things as completely separate. Head of screw. Yay! I'm going to come over here. In fact, I know what. Right, and as you can see, it's not bad. I know it's come out. Probably ought to go pair of mold grips under there. No damage to the unit. That's the best bit. So I'm really chuffed about that. That's the first one out. Yes, I've got it. By using the actual this way, I think I can saw it off, not causing too much heat. Really WD-40 of course, and I think we can do something with this properly, and then we'll get it up. If it takes 10 minutes, it takes 10 minutes. That's life, isn't it, sometimes? And that's that one off. Oh, lovely. Getting their places narrow fill. Right, now we've got to take that one in the back of that fuse box. See that good. That one's got a bit. Yay! Success. I don't think BMW would have put a rusty type guarding bolt in there. Where's he gone? Here it is. Oh, let me get it. Alright. Dio. No, I don't. That's what it was with a nylock on the end of it. Anyway, one of my best tools out to do the job, my missus. And she held it while I unbolted it and sort of screwed it, and we played it like a 60-year-old, sort of like, nearly 60-year-old, sort of like game of Twister, and we got it out. And that wasn't suitable for video at all. To nearly 60-year-olds like, yeah, push it, I'll pull it, you know, that sort of thing. Okay, but anyway, it's out. That's the most important thing. That's another one out. Right then. These 4 bolts off here should drop that differential apart. Going along a bit further, you can probably see that bolt in there. Yeah, you can. Takes the footrests off. That's dead easy. Don't know how the brake light switch comes up. I ain't investigated it yet. Right, this here looks to me now like the speedo drive. Following it up. I think we need to take this nut out, but I can't get that nut out really until we get rid of this gator out of the road, so I'm not bothering about that just a pure second. All the wiring is now over there. The nuts are in that good sort of state. Need to be drilled out obviously at some point. But again here, I like it. There's not too much rust, look. I'm quite pleased with that. I don't know, well that was shows up on camera, but you know, quick rub down the spray now, but absolutely fine. Got to get into these things here. Obviously, these battery box mounts. I've got to get into them and get them out. You're getting there. It's like a layers of an onion when you do a bike. You strip some stuff off, and then you got to spray up. And oh yeah, there's another plug that's got to be undone there, which has been a bit of a bugger. And I've noticed the little gasket thing there that's cracked in at it. Again, it's rubbers. Should be requiring to get one of them, I think. All in all, not too bad, not many surprises. Back differential seems to be leaking on the inside, don't know much about that at the moment, but my mate Bob does. He informs me, so I might be taking it to him and asking him, hey Bob, what do I need? We'll make the order. Quite happy now, like I say, things are good. Coming on well, doing lovely.